Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's time. This is November weekly reading from November 9th to November 15th. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo, it's time. What are the messages for you and what's going on? You're dealing with Sagittarius. Some of you're dealing with Sagittarius here. Under the deck, 5 of Wands, 6 of Cups, 10 of Cups, and 2 of Swords, 7 of Swords. Maybe your person is a player here. This person is not trustworthy. Some sneaky energies here. You are at some crossroads, Virgo. You are wishing or you are hoping for this connection and you want this 10 of Cups happiness, but it is not happening the way you want here. And 6 of Cups, you're still thinking about this person a lot, and a lot of issues, lot of drama is going between you and your person, Virgo. So let's see your reading. Recent past, King of Cups, 4 of Cups, and 3 of Swords. I think lots of you are in separation or you want to separate from your person because they broke your trust. You are heartbroken here. You're missing them because you have very strong emotions. You still have strong emotions towards this person, but some of you want to move on. You are in some dilemma. Then present 4 of Wands, King of Wands, and Hangman. You want stability from this relationship, but it is not coming here. There is no stability. Your person is always in and out of your life, so that's why you want to take control of the situation here, and still there is no clarity because the Hangman, you are feeling stuck, you are feeling confused. Then future, Temperance, Ace of Cups, and 8 of Cups. So finally you are taking a move here. You want to move on or you want to walk away. 8 of Cups is here, and you want to take care of yourself. You want to taking care, love yourself, because Ace of Cups, you and your well-being. And Temperance, you want to balance things within yourself here. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So Virgo, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what is going between you and your person. So Judgment under the deck. So they are in the some process, or for some, one person in this connection could be going through divorce or legal issues here. So let's see your person current feelings and intentions towards you. Virgo. Emperor, Ace of Pentacles, Knight of Wands. Let's see their intentions also. King of Swords, Ten of Cups, Knight of Swords. My God. Page of Wands under the deck. The Hermit, maybe you're dealing with on the Virgo here. The Fool with 2 of Pentacles. So definitely a person trying to balance things in their life, and If you are in separation, they want brand new beginnings with you. Your person is very independent and powerful person, and yeah, they are also going through some transformation here. And page of wands, there is communication text is coming, and for some you both have age difference here. So their current feelings, the Emperor, Ace of Pentacles and Knight of Wands. So they are rushing towards you with a lot of passion, and they really want offer long term with you. Yeah, they're stubborn, but finally they are going to make a move towards you, Virgo. And their intentions, King of Swords, Ten of Cups and Knight of Swords. Yeah, in past maybe your person is having hard time to express their feelings. Now they're going to be open up. They will call or text you very soon, and they really want to offer commitment here. Yes, because Ace of Pentacles with Ten of Cups, long term, they want to be with you forever. And lot of water energy, maybe you're dealing with Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this relationship is headed on. So they're rushing to communicate with you here. They want to express their feelings here. The Six of Cups. Wow, lots of communication is coming, and they're thinking about you a lot, and you both have strong past life connection with each other and judgment. Definitely they're going to make some decision regarding this relationship. Things are changing very fastly here, are going to be changed very fastly. But you are in a defensive mode, Virgo. Yeah, they're going to be communicate with you, but some of you are in a defensive mode here. You are protecting yourself, and you are doing your own thing here. You're focusing on your money, you're focusing on your career, but some of you is still wishing and you're still praying for this connection, but not showing your emotions here. So let's see mutual energies and final outcome between you and your person. Some of you third party involved in this relationship, trust issues. Yeah, but still there is love between you and your person. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini here, maybe you're dealing with Pisces here. Yeah, they're coming back for reconciliation with you, but you still have some doubts regarding this relationship. You still have some fears regarding this relationship. That's why you're taking your time, but they're waiting on you. They're coming back to you, and lots of communication is coming towards you, but you are taking your time because you have some fears. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Virgo. Finances and career. Reunion is coming and age difference. Finances and career, reunion is coming and age difference. So let's see some messages from your from Moon Oracle deck for you, Virgo. Thoughts are jumping. Bring love into the situation. New moon in Aquarius. Maybe you're dealing with Aquarius here. The answers you need are coming. Full moon in Gemini. Maybe you're dealing with Gemini here. So if you're searching for your answers, so this is the message for you. The answers you need are coming. And the end of your tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn. Maybe you're dealing with Capricorn here. So some of you right now you're going through a tough cycle. So this is the message for you. It is going to be end very soon. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.